Welcome to our exclusive guide on the best power pinners in 2023. In this exciting video, we'll take you on a journey through the dynamic world of Pinterest, showcasing the top influencers, trendsetters, and creators who are making waves with their exceptional content. Get ready to dive into the pinning paradise and discover the movers and shakers who are setting the trends for 2023! After hours of research and after taking expert advice, we have listed the top 5 best products in this video. The links for the product mentioned in the video or in the description box below. That help us to you find the best one for your budget. Number 1. Kamson P630 23 Gauge Pneumatic Pin Nailer Kit. The Kamson P630 23 Gauge Pneumatic Pin Nailer Kit is a lightweight and durable tool with premium quality and accurate nailing. It has less jamming, safer firing, and easy operation with dual trigger safety, lightweight and durable, premium quality and accurate nailing, less jamming, comes with 10,000 pieces pin nails free, easy operation and safer firing, push to lock closures, and automatic nail adjustment function. It uses 23-gauge needle nails and is ideal for windows, doors, cabinets, and interior decoration. The package comes with 10,000 pieces pin nails free, reducing the need for frequent purchases. Number 2. Metabo HPT Cordless Pin Nailer Kit, NP18ZL. The Metabo HPT Pin Nailer Kit, NP18ZL, is a cordless power tool that comes with a 3.0 Ah lithium-ion battery, fast charger, contractor bag, safety glasses, and 3mm hex bar wrench. It has been rated the Pro Preferred Nailer for 9 years in a row, 2014 to 2022, by Builder and Developer magazine. The tool accepts 23-gauge nail lengths ranging from 5/8 of an inch to 1/3 and can drive 3,000 nails per charge when using Hitachi or Metabo HPT Compact 3.0 Ah Li-ion battery. Its toolless depth of drive adjustment feature allows for a professional finish every time. The high luminescence LED light is useful when working in low light areas, and the no-push safety nose tip reduces marring and provides a clean finish for optimal performance. Genuine Metabo HPT pin nails are recommended. Number 3. Dough Tool 23-Gauge Pin Nailer. This Dough Tool Pin Nailer is a professional-grade tool designed to make your job easier. Its durable aluminum body and comfortable grip make it easy to operate in the pressure range of 60 to 100 pounds per square inch. With a magazine that can hold up to 100 nails, you can work for longer periods without having to reload. The pin nail length of 15-30 seconds allows for a variety of uses, such as interior decoration, carpentry, flooring, roofing, molding, and door installation. The rugged and reliable construction is designed to withstand harsh operating conditions, and the contact safety feature ensures that the nail face must be in contact before firing to prevent accidental firing. Additionally, the pneumatic brad nailer allows you to adjust the depth of the nail without any tools, making it a super tool for any professional or DIYer. Number 4. Kamson P630 Pin Nailer. The Kamson P630 Pin Nailer is a light and well-balanced tool, featuring accurate nailing, fewer jamming, safety, and easy operation. Its ergonomic handle, front exhaust, automatic nails adjustment, and slide loading make it convenient to use. It can shoot 23-gauge pin nails from 3/8 inch to 1 3/16 inch for windows, doors, cabinets, and interior decoration. Number 5. Kamson 23-Gauge Stainless Steel Micro Pin Nails 9,000 pieces /box. Kamson pin nails are made of high-quality stainless steel, ensuring high tensile strength and long durability. With a smooth surface and no flash, these nails are anti-corrosion and less likely to jam. The obvious arrow mark on each row of nails helps you load them in the right direction. Each box contains 9,000 pieces of 1/2 inch, 12mm, headless pins that fit most pneumatic pin nailers for furniture, doors, cabinets, and other light wood joining. All pin nails are consistent in size, with a wire diameter of 0.025 inches, 0.63mm, and a length of 1/2 inch, 12mm. Kamson also provides other length pin nails in copper coating and stainless. These pins are a great option for those who need a large quantity of high-quality nails at an affordable price.
If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and like our video.